Hello everyone, this is Raid Al-Ghamdi. This is my technical presentation for CSE424. Today I'm going to be talking about blockchain. This is an outline for what I'm going to be talking about today. What is blockchain, how it works, and how secure is blockchain, and the benefits of using it in finance, and is it only used for transferring money, and the future of blockchain. First, what is a blockchain? It's a technology that allows data to be recorded into blocks that are linked using cryptography. The context of a block. We have data. In case of Bitcoin, it could be the sender and the receiver and the amount of money. We have a hash. We're going to explain what that is, and the hash of the previous block. How it works. Blockchain uses hashing. A hash is a unique string generated for each block through a hashing function using the block's content as input. So, any changes to the block or any changes to the content of the block will cause the hash to change. Also, we're storing the hash of the previous block, so we can detect any changes in a single block. And if a hash is changed, all the blocks following will be invalid. However, hashing only is not enough. Since modern computers can calculate very quickly hundreds of thousands of hashes per second. So to deal with that, we have a mechanism called proof of work, which is used to slow down the creation of blocks. In Bitcoin, they're called mining. And basically there are math problems that need to be solved, and they take time, approximately 10 minutes. We also use a distributed ledger instead of a centralized ledger to eliminate the possibility of a database being hacked, where everyone has a copy of the ledger to compare with. Every node in the network. Bitcoin uses a peer-to-peer network. Here comes the question, how secure is blockchain? To answer this question, we must see what it would take for someone to tamper with a block. First, they need to tamper with all the blocks in the chain, recalculating all the hashes and replacing them. Also, they have to redo the proof of work for each block, and this would take a lot of time, as we explained. Last, they have to take control of more than 50% of the peer-to-peer network. So 50% of the nodes in the network. And that's very, very hard and almost impossible. So the benefits of using blockchain in finance compared to regular banks. Budget-wise, there are no transaction fees. Security, as we discussed, it's very, very hard to tamper with. Velocity, transactions happen in real time. Globalization, transaction can happen from anywhere in the world. And irreversibility, once a transaction happens, it cannot be reversed by anyone. Is blockchain only used for transferring money? The answer is no. It can be used for medical records, can be used as an e-notary, can be used for collecting taxes, voting, and other uses. Here, blockchain is the technology. It should not be confused with Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that uses the technology blockchain. The future of blockchain, according to the International data corporation investments in blockchain are expected to reach 11.7 billion in 2022. According to Forbes, the trust factor and the capabilities of blockchain are expected to rise with time. And also startups are leveraging blockchain to transform traditional business models across all sectors. Thank you very much. This was all I got today. Thanks for listening.